Here we have to offer the Strobel FE1210. That's a 12-yard scraper with a 10-foot cut. Notice on the side here we have good ground clearance to carry it through some heavier materials that might drag the bottom. Also, I want to point out here some of the cool features that we have to offer. We use steel tubes throughout where we can. We also located this tube. We rotated this tube so it does not collect any dirt on top of it. This particular model does and shows as a Dolly unit. You can see in the bowl there right now that we have adjustable blades down on the bottom down there of the ejector door. Also, we have the high back on the back. The unit has a solid A-frame type system back here with our unique feature of our design that we carry in all of our FE scrapers. That is the roller system. And the roller system is set up in a way that it never collects any dirt in here on top of it. It's all radiused in here. Also, you notice in here that we have the adjustable. Very straightforward, simple type adjustments. That occurs both on the rear and on the sides. And also, unique feature is we have the ability, as we hone in on this over here, we're going to show you here the adjustability of the roller for the bottom of the door. So you have adjustability of that. Also, we have a strip in here that supports the roller. So we come around here. We have, again, a very robust Michelin tire. It's a 1620 tire. The sidebar on here, replaceable. And again, as we look at this unit, this model is the Dolly system. We also have a direct mount tongue system that's very popular, but we still have this and offer this to the market.